Unlock your potential. A journey to professional success in Penfield, Canada. Introduction. Hey there, a future success story. Ever thought about making a move that could transform your life? Well, buckle up because we're headed to Penfield, where opportunities are as abundant as maple syrup in Canada. I'm your guide, and this is your ticket to a brighter future. Let's dive in. City, province, and country. Welcome to Penfield, a cozy corner in New Brunswick, Canada. Now, Penfield might not be a bustling metropolis, but it's a gem with a heart as warm as a freshly baked butter tart. The locals here are like a big, friendly family, and you'll soon find yourself fitting right in. With a population that's just the right size, not too big, not too small, it's the perfect place to strike a balance between community and opportunity. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will.
Welcome to Canada Smart Mind, the premier Canadian school dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Whether you are looking to further your education, improve your skills, or advance your career, we are here to support you every step of the way.
Economic activities. Now, let's talk business. In Penfield, the main economic activities are as diverse as poutine toppings. From agriculture to fishing and a sprinkle of small businesses, there's a little something for everyone. Picture this: you thriving in a community where the local economy is as vibrant as the autumn leaves. Job search wisdom. All right, you're in a new place, and the job market is your playground. How and when do you start the job hunt? Well, my friend, it's like fishing, you need the right bait. Don't wait for a job miracle. Create your opportunities. And guess what? We've got a sponsor, Canada Smart Mind, backing you up. They believe in you, and so do we. Challenges and opportunities. Sure, your homeland might be dealing with its fair share of chaos, but Penfield is a canvas waiting for your brushstrokes. Embrace challenges, dance with resilience, and adapt like a true Canadian in winter. The impacts of AI? Well, that's just another puzzle piece in this grand adventure. Your language proficiency? It's your superhero cape in this narrative. Express yourself like a pro. Expressions matter, and mastering them is your secret weapon. Here are 10 examples. 1. Seize the day. 2. Break a leg. 3. Hit the hay. 4. Bite the bullet. 5. Jump on the bandwagon. 6. Burn the midnight oil. 7. Cut to the chase. 8. Grasp the nettle. 9. Hit the nail on the head. 10. Kick the bucket. Learn these, and you'll express yourself like a true Penfield pro.
Tell us in the comments below which topics you feel are better for you. And remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe yourself. Now, let's get back to the video.
Canada Smart Mind sponsorship. Shout out to our sponsor, Canada Smart Mind, for believing in your journey. Check out their website for a daily English course at just 20 cents a day. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee, and more rewarding than a double-double. Engage with the community. Now, folks, we're building a community here. Like, share, and comment on this video. Your engagement boosts our reach, and your comments might just make it to our next video. We're watching, responding, and creating a dialogue. Closing. In the grand mosaic of life, Penfield is your blank canvas. Don't just exist, live, laugh, and thrive. Enroll on our website, and let's turn the page to a new chapter. Your success story begins now. Cheers to Penfield, cheers to Canada, and cheers to your journey.
I thank all the support of Canada Smart Mind and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.